My dear students, myself Gangadharaji, working as an assistant professor, Government First Aid College, Bellavi. So, as per the Collegiate Technical Education, Government of Karnataka, Karnataka LMS program have been launched for the sake of benefits of the students. So, as a part of this, I am also one of the e-content developer allotted formation of companies unit 2 in the corporate administration subject SEP state education and policy. So now I am going to start a session. So total 56 sessions are there. So in the 13th session means second chapter. So I'm going to discuss about introduction, promotion stage, meaning of promoter, position of promoter. Dear students, as you know well, company is an artificial person created by law because it is incorporated entity. The formation of company is a process. It involves number of steps. So as per the Companies Act, section 3 subsection 1, a company may be formed for any lawful purpose by 7 or more members in case of public company, 2 or more persons in case of private company, and or one person in case of one person company. By subscribing their names to a memorandum and complying with the requirements of this act in respect of registration. Section 3, subsection 2, a company formed under subsection 1 may be either a company limited by shares or a company limited by guarantee or an unlimited company. This is what first stage in the promotion of a company. Promotion is the first stage in the formation of company. It involves conceiving a business opportunity and taking an initiative to form a company so that practical shape can be given to exploiting the available business opportunity. The definition of a promotion, according to C.W. Gistenberg, promotion may be defined as the discovery of business opportunities. What are the opportunities we have? On the basis of that, and the subsequently, we have to organize the funds, property, and managerial ability into business concern for the purpose of making profit therefrom. The stages of promotion, here the promoters of the following steps. One is discovery of ideas, detailed investigation, assembling the position, Financing proportion means they have to discover the ideas. What are all the opportunities are here to start a business? The second stage is detailed investigation. Means before going to start a business, they have to conduct a business research. Means what will be the pros and cons of the business which is going to start, and how many of already have been doing this kind of business, and how many of get success, and what may be the growth of business. So like this, they have to conduct an investigation about the business. Then start stage is they have to assembling the proportion. Means four M's are very very important to start a business. That is men, machine, material, money. They have to arrange. They have to plan for the arrange this proportion. And last one is finance is very very important. How to mobilize the finance to conduct the business. Whether borrowing loans from the banks or financial institutions, whether issue shares to the publics, and many other sources. So here they have to make proportionate for financing. In the next, we are going to discuss about definition of promoter. According to Gutman and Doug Hall, promoter is the person who assembles the men, the money, the material into the going concern. As I told, the four M's are very, very important to start a business. For that, four M's are very, very important: men, machine, material, money. The promoter means who is a person who assembles these four M's to start a business, who is called as promoter. So, definition of promoter. Section 2, subsection 69 of 2013 Act. A promoter means a person who has been named as such in a prospectus or is identified by the company in the annual return referred to in section 92, or who has control over the affairs of the company directly, whether as a shareholder, director, or otherwise, or in accordance with whose advice, directions, or instructions the board of directors of the company is accustomed to the act, provided that nothing is subclass C shall apply to a person who is acting namely merely in a professional capacity. Persons acting only in professional capacity, such as bankers, legal advisors, accountants, are not considered as promoters. So, this is what the definition which is given by Companies Act 2013, Section 2, subsection 69. Okay, dear students, this is what the first session. In this session, we discuss about introduction. So in that introduction, promotion stage, meaning of promoter and position of promoter. So here, introduction we have discussed formation of company. While formation of company for a public company, how many of members we need minimum. For private company, how many of members or persons we need, and one person company, how many of members as per the Companies Act. And also we have discussed there are three types of companies we can see: a company limited by shares, or a company limited by guarantee, or a limited company. And also we have discussed promotion of a company, what it means. And also we have discussed definition of promotion, which is given by C.W. Gestenberg. And also we have discussed the stages of promotion. In that, discovery of ideas, detailed investigation, assembling the proportion, financing the proportion. So definition of promoter we have discussed according to the Guthman and Daghal. So definition of promoter also we have discussed. Okay, dear students, let us end of this first session. Thank you very much. Let's start next session. Thank you. Oi!